Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. This is the rhubarb that I've just picked out of my garden. I did show a video of it sitting there growing. There's about £2 of it here, and you really need £3 for this recipe, but I haven't got £3. So I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to, once I've got the juice, I'm going to add something else to it. As yet I don't know what. But I wash it all off, and it says you don't need to do anything other than chop it, because this is a recipe out of my brilliant book. So I'll chop all those and put them in the saucepan. Mason is playing with his ticket. Right, as you can see, I've chopped up the rhubarb, and I've got a few grapes and oranges. So I put just cut up one orange and the juice of another 2 oranges and a few grapes, and that might do it. Now this is doing it a different way than normal, because normally I mix the sugar with boiling water, let it cool down, and then yeast. But this is the dry extraction of the juice. So basically we're using the sugar to pull out all the juice. So there's 2.2 pounds in a bag of sugar. So 2 pounds, and there's about a pound in here. No, a bit more than that. So make it up to about £3 of sugar. Stir it all in. At this point you do not need to add any water. The sugar will draw out all the juice from the fruit. So now all we do is cover it and leave it for about 24 hours to let all the juice come out of it. So I'll show you then what I do next. Hello, here we are the next day, and you can possibly see there the amount of liquid that's come off is tremendous. So basically you don't want the fruit pulp, so just sieve it through. There's still a lot in. Now there's a lot of undissolved sugar in the bottom of it. So I'm going to put that through. Should have given it to stir things first. Never mind. through. If you do this a few times, you'll make sure you've got all the sugar. Oh, a little bit of rhubarb there. Don't want that. Now that's a total of 2 litres that I used to rinse the sugar off. I'll get another 2 litres here. And use the whole lot this time to rinse it. I mean, I suppose you can, if you've done just rhubarb, you can make a rhubarb crumble. I just thought that. But oh, I'm going to bother. So that's now had a total of 4 litres of water. So I've added a total of 4 litres of cold water to this. I'm going to add now, and here's some yeast nutrients, altogether about a teaspoon. And about a teaspoon of yeast. And some more of that. Give it a stir around and put it in a demijohn, which has been sitting on the side sterilising. So this rhubarb wine now can go into the demijohn. Still only 4 litres of water that I added to it. Because obviously there was a lot of water that came out of the rhubarb itself. And you can see how full. There's a little bit of sugar attaching itself to the bottom. And there it is. Oh. And that is the rhubarb wine, or rather the start of the rhubarb wine. And as you saw, I didn't need to add much water, so that's a litre basically came off the fruit. It's alright, I'm adding more sugar to the raspberry wine I started last month. That's why I'm stirring. So it'll go up now. I'll leave it in there for a month. So that rhubarb wine is the wine of the month. Got to now think what's going to be June's wine. Thank you. Bye.